When you are talking 40s with the amount of wind that we have, like gusts up to 40 miles per hour in a couple parts of town, yeah, it's a bundle up kind of a morning. We will have a decent dose of sun from morning even into the afternoon. But the wind is just not going to quit. Coming generally from the southwest, so neighborhoods favoring the south and the west sides of town will have even more wind as the day wears on. Some gusts toward 40 miles per hour at the airport, and those plane landings be a bit wobbly again today. And it looks like the wind, if anything, is not going to quit as we head through tonight. The gusts still pretty impressive. We've got a 70% chance of some showers coming through, but not until tonight. We're looking at conditions during the daytime that very likely will stay dry. There's a very small 10% chance of a stray shower spilling off the mountains into parts of the valley this afternoon. We're not concerned about that. We are, though, going to keep an eye on rain, about a 70% chance coming through tonight, just after midnight. And get this, there may be a few snowflakes in the mix in parts of the valley